Hello everyone and welcome back to Proline, where we discuss all things related to online business. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to use data to improve your online business. By using data, you can insights into customer behavior, website performance and marketing effectiveness, and make informed decisions to improve your business. So let's get started. Identify your key metrics. The first step in using data is to improve your online business. To identify your key metrics, these are the metrics that are most important to your business, such as the website traffic, conversion rate and customers lifetime value. By tracking these metrics, you can gain insight into how your business is performing and where improvements can be made. Use analytic tools. Next, you will need to use analytic tools to collect and analyze data. Popular analytics tools include Google Analytics, Kissmetrics and Mixpanel. These tools can provide valuable insight into customer behavior, website performance and making effectiveness. Analyze customer behavior. One of the most important ways to use data to improve your online business is to analyze customer behavior. By tracking metrics such as the customer demographics, browsing behavior and purchase history, you can gain insights into what your customer want and tailor your marketing strategy accordingly. Optimize website performance. Data can also be used to optimize website performance. By tracking metrics such as the page load time, bounce rates and conversion rate, you can identify areas of your website that need improvements and make changes to optimize the customer experience. Measure marketing effectiveness. Finally, data can be used to measure marketing effectiveness. By tracking metrics such as the click-through rate, conversion rate and customer acquisition cost, you can measure the success of your marketing campaign and make adjustment as needed. Using data to improve your online business is essential for gaining insight into customer behavior, website performance and marketing effectiveness, and making informed decision to improve your business. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Bye bye.